Welcome to the Learning Resource Center tutoring programs. My name is Catherine, and I'm the program coordinator for the Teaching and Learning Center, which is one of the 3 academic tutoring programs housed within the Learning Resource Center at Foothill. Together, Pass the Torch, the Teaching and Learning Center, the STEM Center, and the library comprise Foothill's Learning Resource Center. We work closely with students to provide academic support in reading, writing, ESL, conversation support, study skills, research, and STEM through one-to-one tutoring, drop-in tutoring, small group study sessions, and workshops. We, along with the other tutoring programs and learning communities on campus, like EOPS, are here to provide academic support for you throughout your academic journeys at Foothill. We're excited to work with you during your time here. This fall, all of our tutoring services will be offered remotely through Zoom. To find us, you'll need to go to the Foothill Tutoring website, which you can find by typing in foothill.edu/tutoring. Once you get to our website, click on the red button that says Go to Online LRC Tutoring Center. This brings you to the LRC Tutoring Center sign-in page. Enter your 8-digit student ID and your birth date using the 2-digit month, 2-digit date, and 4-digit year. On the next screen, click on the drop-in tutoring button to request drop-in tutoring assistance. This brings you to a screen that will ask you to select the reason you are visiting the LRC Tutoring Center. You will be able to scroll through the menu and select either the class that you are seeking assistance for or the reason for your visit. Then click Continue. The final step is to click on the button that says Click here to see a tutor. This will allow you to enter the LRC Tutoring Center, where you will be greeted by our Tutoring Center Zoom hosts and where you will be paired with a tutor. If you decide that you no longer want to see a tutor, you can click on the Remove Me from the Waiting List button. To connect to the LRC Tutoring Center from Canvas, find the Student Support portal in the left menu and click on the icon. This brings you to our Student Support portal page, which gives you an overview of the many different support services you have access to as a Foothill student. Find the tutoring tile and click on Go to Tutoring. This brings you to our main tutoring page, which offers an overview of the different tutoring programs we offer: Pass the Torch, TLC, and the STEM Center. Here you'll find our operating hours, a brief overview of all the subjects we offer assistance with, and also a button to enter the LRC Tutoring Center. For hours when the TLC, Pass the Torch, and STEM Center are closed, or for subjects not covered by Foothill Tutoring Centers, you can get online tutoring support from NetTutor, a 24/7 online tutoring services. For hours when the Foothill Tutoring Center is open, click on the LRC Tutoring Center button at the top of the page, which will bring you to the sign-in page. On our website, you can find additional information about all of the LRC tutoring services and our operating hours. Pass the Torch offers one-to-one, peer-to-peer tutoring between a student who is a member and a peer tutor who is a leader for English, math, and ESL classes. The member and leader form a study team and meet on a weekly basis for the entire quarter. The study team goes over course materials and assignments based on what the members need help with. Pass the Torch team meetings are structured to ensure that each student has the opportunity to succeed academically in their classes through teamwork, commitment, and dedication. This is a great way for members to build confidence in their academic work and study skills, while also building effective working relationships with their leader over the course of the quarter as they become independent learners. The STEM Center is an academic tutoring program for science, technology, engineering, and math. Tutoring is available for biology, chemistry, computer science, math, networking, and physics. In addition, the STEM Center offers tutoring in accounting and economics. The STEM Center provides the following tutoring services: drop-in study sessions, where you simply drop in to meet with a faculty tutor, and group study sessions. Group study sessions are led by student-embedded tutors who are assigned to specific classes at the beginning of the quarter. Embedded tutors help students in class and also outside of class by setting up group study sessions. Your course instructor will let you know if a student-embedded tutor is assigned to your class, as well as the group study schedule. The Teaching and Learning Center is an academic tutoring program for reading and writing support. We offer reading and writing assistance for all subjects, including any classes in the Language Arts Division, the Business and Social Sciences Division, and the Arts and Communication Division. We are happy to work with you at any stage in your reading, writing, and studying process, whether you are brainstorming ideas for your paper, figuring out how to make sense of the reading for your class, or working on a draft of your paper. In addition to offering reading and writing support, we also offer conversation groups for multilingual students who are interested in practicing their conversational English skills. We offer writing workshops on specific reading and writing topics, and we offer workshops about college application and personal statement writing for students who plan to transfer to a four-year university. All of our tutoring sessions at TLC are drop-in. Simply show up to the TLC Zoom room with your assignment and we'll go from there. Finally, the LRC offers The Garden, which is a friendly learning community designed with students' learning styles in mind and offers specialized tutoring for all learning styles and tempos. The Garden offers academic support for the Disability Resource Center, the Veterans Resource Center, Psychological Services, Math Performance Success, Athletics, Geography, Umoja, Puente, Tech Core, and the Foundations Lab. We know it can be intimidating to ask for help and seek out tutoring support, but we want to reassure you that we love working with students and we're very happy to meet with you and get to know you during your time at Foothill. Please stop by our tutoring Zoom room when you have the chance, meet our Zoom hosts, and check out our tutoring space. We have study rooms open in the Zoom room where you, your friends, and your classmates can meet up to study together throughout the day. We're excited to have you at Foothill, and we look forward to working with you this quarter.